Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best Jeep tube doors that you should buy. Let's get started. To begin with is the Pick Jeep Tube Doors EAG 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK. Ready to go off-road? Upgrade your Jeep Wrangler with this unique set of tube doors. The contemporary spiderweb design of these Jeep tube doors will increase your visibility and ease your access. We really like these tube doors because of the easy installation. The doors mount directly on the factory hinges. The awesome factory-style door latch assembly can be adjusted to prevent vibrations and ensure proper function. Made of 1/8-inch steel, these doors feature a textured black powder coat finish. Up next is the EAG 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK Safari Tubular Doors with Mirror. Get a true off-road experience with the EAG Jeep Wrangler JK Tubular Doors. This Jeep Tube Door Kit comes with everything you need to get started, including the mirrors. These Jeep Tubular doors will give you the open-air driving experience you love while providing more safety than riding without doors alone. We like the increased visibility. It is great when you're trying to negotiate tough trails. Give your Jeep a rugged look while protecting your passengers from falling out on the trail. Manufactured with thick steel, these Jeep tube doors feature a bold look with a durable, textured black powder coating for extreme durability. Third up is the Pick Jeep Tube Doors EAG 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK 4-door. Make your Jeep Wrangler unique with this awesome set of military-grade Jeep tube doors. These tube doors are designed to fit Jeep Wrangler JK 4-door models. Made of durable 1/8-inch steel sheet and high-strength tubing, these Jeep tube doors feature a textured black powder coat finish. These rugged tube doors will increase your visibility and easy access to your Jeep. It is important to note that these Jeep tubular doors are intended for off-road use only. Moving along, here we have the Pick Jeep Tube Doors Jeep Wrangler JK Tube Doors Front and Rear 4-door. Make sure your passengers don't fall out of your Jeep while off-roading with these rugged Jeep tube doors. This awesome set of tube doors are designed for the Jeep Wrangler JK 2007 to 2018. The doors are made of durable 1/8-inch steel and feature a textured black powder coat finish. Get a true off-road experience with these Jeep tube doors. I like these doors because they are engineered to fit OE hinges and have a factory-style door lock assembly. To end with here, we have the Pick Jeep Tube Doors Jeep Wrangler JK 2-door. The EAG American flag design tubular doors not only increase visibility and ease of access, but they also give your Jeep JK Wrangler a feeling of flying. The tube doors are made of durable 1/8-inch steel sheet and high-strength 1¼ inch by 0.80 steel tubing. These rugged Jeep tube doors feature a textured black powder coat finish. Installation is easy The tube doors mount directly to the OE door hinges. The military-grade side view mirrors can be manually adjusted and provide a larger vision. Great choice! Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.